Welcome to Pouse around the house. Now this morning, to my horror, I looked out the window to find a leak projectiling out of the side of my fast set pool. As you can imagine, the kids weren't particularly happy because they thought they wouldn't have a pool this summer, and I wasn't particularly happy because I was either going to have to buy a new pool or drain the water down to repair it. So I had to act quick, think, bit of problem solving, and I came up with this idea. Plumbers Mate. Now this is a first for me. I gave it a go, and as you can see, the leak has stopped. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it in just a couple of minutes. So you want to get a bit of your Plumbers Mate. You want to roll this like that into like a worm shape. You want to get it in there behind the leak and just push it in, just like putty. Obviously the beauty of using Plumbers Mate is that you can fix this inside the water. For belt and braces, I'm going to pack it on the inside here as well, on the front. Now I did try this on the front first of all earlier, and when I did it, the pressure of the water was just bubbling this out and then it was squirting through. But as a secondary protection, I think it's worth doing this for now. So you get a full view. I'm going to show you the repair under the water using my GoPro. As you can see there, I've just packed it all in just like using Play-Doh or putty, and then I've just smoothed it over with my thumb and fingers, making a nice smooth finish. Now I'm not saying by any stretch that this is a permanent repair, but it's worked for me for now, and if this sees me out to the end of the summer, then hopefully it might see you out to the end of the summer too. And if you're interested in the Plumbers Mate or the fast set pool, I'll put links to those in the description section below. Now if you've got a better solution for doing this or a better product, please let us know in the comment section below, because it'll really help me out and it may help someone else out that's watching this video. And I also ask that if you have found this video useful, can you please give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, could you please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for regular notifications, and you'll be notified of all my new videos, and you may well see something else useful like this video that can help you out again. I've been Pouse around the house. Ta-ta, farewell.